Hi, in this video we'll take a look at how you can fix Windows 10 going to sleep too early or in a few minutes. So if you have your computer idling for a minute or 2 or 3 minutes or 4 minutes, you may notice that it suddenly just stop working and it goes into sleeping. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to go into power options and turn on system unattended sleep timeout. Now this option may not come on as the default, so you need to go into the registry editor to turn it on. Now to do so, I'm just going to switch this one off, close off everything. We'll start from here. So type in here in the search box, type in Reg Edit, and up here click on registry editor and click on yes. And now that Registry Editor is open, what we want to do is to expand it. So we want to go into this local machine. We want to expand it and then go into CurrentControlSet. So just want to expand that. And system first. So we go to system and then CurrentControlSet. So I'm just going to pull this one over so you can see it because it's going to expand it down more. And we want to go into control. And then we want to go down and click on power. So power, we want to expand that. And next we're going to go into power settings. So click on power settings and then we go down and we want to look for this numbers. This is a hash number. So 238C9. So 238C9 and you quickly go to the end and then you check for this number with it's a 8F20, so 8F20, so you can see it match up. So we can click on that, and next you want to click on this number, so we want to expand it first. And the next one is we click on 7BC4, 7BC4, this is the only one in there, and then at the end it will be like AACA0, so you want to click on that to expand it out. And next you want to click on attributes on the right hand side here. So we click on attributes and make sure the value from 1, so by default it is 1, and we want to change that value to 2, which means it turns on, 1 is turned off, and we click on OK, and that's it. As soon as you click on OK, it will save. And what we want to do next is we want to close that or minimize that, and in here you want to click on power, and then we choose power and sleep settings, or choose a power plan. In here you can see power options, and we're going to choose depending on what you selected on here. So if you choose high performance, you want to click on change plan settings, click on that, and click on change advanced power settings. And in advanced settings you want to go down to sleep and expand it. And here you should see an additional system unattended sleeping timeout option will appear in the node. So you want to click on that to expand out, and then in the settings you may see by default it's set to 2 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, and that's why your computer keep going to sleep after 2 or 3 minutes. So change that time to whatever it is you like, maybe 1 or 2 hours, 5 hours or 10 hours. So set the time in here. I choose as 2 hours. So if I don't use my computer for 2 hours, it will automatically go to sleep. Now instead of 2 minutes it keep going to sleep, you can try that, and that's it. So that's how you can fix your computer keep going to sleep early. This solution here solves most of your problems. Of course there are other things that could also cause your computer to go to sleep. Another thing you want to try is the screensaver. So in the search box, tap on screensavers, and then in here you can see it says change screensavers. So we click on change screensavers, and make sure you choose screensaver to none. So sometimes screensaver can go on as a black screen, and that causes you to think that the computer is actually sleeping, but it's not. So just choose none, or if you want to use screensavers, make sure you increase the minutes to maybe 15, 20 or 30 minutes. So change that as well. In here you can see they also change power settings. So you try that, turn off the screensavers. Another thing you can try is go into the power settings. So there's a link in there. So go to power options and make sure you choose the appropriate settings. So if it's by default it might be on balance. you want to click on change plan settings, and here you can see it says turn off the display after the time that it goes to after the number of minutes the computer is idling. So if it's set to 2 minutes, you may want to change it to 1 hour perhaps, or put the computer to sleep after the set times. So you want to change a different time in the drop down box here. So instead of putting 2 minutes, you may want to put the computer to sleep after 2 hours. So change it and then click on save changes to save the changes. And then over here it says choose when to turn off the display. Now again, turn off the displays at top options. So you may want to change that as well to 2 hours. And then change when the computer sleeps. And there it is. So there's just a few options here. You got choose what the power button does. You can click on that and see what happened. Make sure that all the settings is set up correctly, and that alone will solve most of your problems. Give that a try first. There are other things that you could try, but I think that just this options here that what I showed you just then will mostly fix all of your problems. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.